This is where your ownership may start. And beautiful townhouse with multiple level livings. Let's go and see it inside. Come on. You just come to the house and you're probably surprised. I'm already sitting on the bar area, and look at this. This is a beautiful dining area and living space, and everything flowing to private deck where you can grill. One of my favorite features upstairs, this is wonderful den. You can make your office here, exercise room, or even extra family room. Another hidden feature of this townhome, this is walkout on the lower level and spacious family room. If you like these 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-car garage townhome, please contact me directly for private showings.